Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of Bloxflip and exploring the latest promo codes for 2024. If you are looking to level up your Robux stash, keep watching to grab some working codes. Bloxflip offers some exciting promo codes each month that can give you bonuses like extra Robux discounts and other cool perks. Here are a few current ones that are live and ready to redeem. BONANZA30. Get triple your Robux on purchase. BLOXCORD15. Enjoy a 15% discount when you pay with crypto or cards. Then third, SUMMER20 score 20% off all Robux purchases. To use these codes, log in on Bloxflip, click the plus icon by your profile, select promo code and enter the code you want to redeem. Easy as that. To stay updated, make sure to follow Bloxflip on social media as they drop new codes on platforms like Discord and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more code updates and gaming tips. Thanks for watching.